Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to do a simple project based on Arduino Uno and ultrasonic sensor which can be used for many applications. Let's go to our video. Arduino Uno is the microcontroller used here. It is a microcontroller based on Atmega 328P processor and it has 14 digital input or output pins along with 6 analog pins and has a 16 MHz ceramic resonator. The program code can be directly dumped to the microcontroller very easily. Then comes the ultrasonic sensor which is HCSR04 and it can measure a distance from 2 cm to 4 meter and it has mainly 4 pins, the trigger pin, echo pin and the ground pin, and it requires a 5 volt for the purpose of functioning, and the Arduino measures the distance based on the input from these sensors. And these are the main components which we are going to use in this project. The first one, which is the disc shaped, is called the buzzer and which is of 12 volts, and comes the next is the small component which is in black is called the IRF 840 MOSFET used for providing a 12 volt supply to the buzzer. And so because of the problem of power capacity of the Arduino Uno board, this is the code which we are going to dump into our microcontroller. We are setting a distance of about 35 centimeter to give an output. That is in such a way that if distance is less than 35 centimeter, buzzer sound will ring. And this is the main circuit which we are going to do in the project. Then we are going to the breadboard area where we are doing the circuit as per the circuit diagram shown, and we are giving a 12 volt supply to our drain terminal of our MOSFET through a 3.3 kilo ohm resistor, so that the drain terminal of the MOSFET is protected. Also, to avoid the grounding issues, we are using a 3.3k ohm resistors. Else, it will be directly grounded because giving the we are connecting the negative part of the 12 volt supply to the source itself. That's why we are using a resistor, and the from the 12th point of the Arduino board, which is the output, is given to the gate terminal of our MOSFET, and it is given directly to the buzzer across the drain and source terminal of our MOSFET. After connecting the buzzer to the across the drain and source, we are connecting the Arduino board to our laptop, and we are dumping the code to the Arduino board by clicking the upload button. Then after uploading, we can check whether it is working by selecting the serial monitor, where the serial monitor displays the distance. If the distance is less than 35 centimeter, the buzzer sound will turn on, else the buzzer will be in off position. That's the main advantage of this circuit. It can be applicable to many other occasions. It is a very simple project that everybody can do. It has main three components, that is the Arduino board, ultrasonic sensor and buzzer. It can be used for several applications starting from the home security to the modern issue applications. We can use it very easily, and it's only a cost around 400 rupees.